I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say,
what's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? My name is Bree.
My name is Kee.
And we're here, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a mukbang / Q&A.
Period.
And we eating
Rotel. Period. And we're drinking some milk.
Okay.
Period.
Okay, so let's get into these questions.
Into the video. Period.
The first question is, how old are you? Okay, I'm 21.
Your girl 22. Period.
I'll be 22 August 18th.
Grown, legal, all that.
Period. Where are y'all from? Huntsville, Alabama.
I'm from Florence, Alabama.
I'm in the 256 though. Here. I'm in the 256 though. Here.
Period. When's your birthday? Like I said, my birthday August 18th.
My birthday is April 1st, and yes, it's on April Fool's Day.
And I'm a Leo.
I'm an Aries.
What's y'all Snapchat name? My Snapchat name is X_Nikitra, NAKETR, 2 A's.
And my Snapchat name is OHH_ that's Bree. So OHH_ THATSBREE.
Instagram names. I'm not sure what my Instagram name is, but it'll be posted.
Description below.
Yeah, it'll be posted.
My Instagram name is Bree Horton_. That's BREEHORTON_.
The next question is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue and purple. I don't know why I was about to say pink, but I don't like that color.
Bitch, you got me fucked up.
Don't do pink like that, baby.
I don't like pink.
I
just don't like pink.
My favorite color is pink. Period. Like, that's
pink
the prettiest color. And they have so many shades.
Pink is so gay.
You can't throw the shade. You can't throw the shade.
Carissa, please.
Gay.
You can't throw the shade.
So anyway, what's your favorite food? Hands down, my favorite food is, I don't know. I really don't have a favorite food. I just like what I like. I mean, I just like what I like. I really don't have a favorite food. But if somebody asked me what was my favorite restaurant, I would most definitely say McDonald's. I love McDonald's.
They fries be busting though. I ain't gonna cap.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food, hands down. If you know me, you know me. My favorite food is hot wings. Like wings, I want lemon pepper wings. They have to be all flats with drink.
Pepper wings are good, but I don't know. I just don't have a favorite food.
That's so good.
What made you want to start doing YouTube? I wanted to do YouTube for like a while now, but I be procrastinating about it because once you start doing YouTube, that's like you putting your life on video and you putting your stuff out there to be judged and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, I think me to mature myself better and to not let everything that people say get to me.
True. And me on the other hand, I've always wanted to do YouTube. I just never like sat down and actually like started it. Like I procrastinate.
Oh yeah, hold on. My phone. What's your life goals? My life goals are to become a RN and yeah, get this money.
Period. Period. Period.
Good.
Get it checked.
Me on the other hand, I have a few options. I know my first option, I want to be a RN. But if that don't work out for me, if I change my mind, I want to have my own. I want to own my own business.
Yes.
Like I want to sell hair. I want to sell lashes.
I want to be my own
CEO, sure, yeah.
You feel me? I don't want to have to work for nobody.
Nobody. I want to tell my own self what to do. I want to tell my own self when to go on break and all that extra.
Okay,
Alright. And next question is, are you taken or single?
who knows? It's a real question. Okay, me.
2 hours later.
Whoa. I'm in a relationship. But yeah, I'm in a relationship just now.
Okay, good. Me on the other hand,
It's complicated.
mine is so complicated. Like, yes, I'm single, but if I talk to somebody else,
Really, nigga?
This hotel is so good.
just listen, like, I'm not even gonna cap. My mama did this. Shout out to my mom.
What's your longest relationship? My longest relationship is the relationship that I am now.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I mean, now, and it's been 4 years.
My longest relationship was 3 years. That is so long.
Jesus Christ.
4 years is long.
No, me and that person are not together. It is for the better. But yes, my longest relationship was 3 years. And what is your shortest relationship?
Y'all can check out the story. So my shortest relationship was literally for a day. And it was because y'all know how people keep asking y'all stuff and you just say yes so they can leave you alone, but you really don't mean yes.
Yeah.
So that's how that relationship went. He just kept asking me and I said yeah, and then the next day I was just like, I think we should break up. So yeah, that's my shortest relationship.
Oh my gosh. Do you like count relationships like middle school? When y'all will only see each other at school? Like,
No, because I think like in middle school, didn't nobody really know what dating was.
Yeah.
Like, we just telling each other we go together. We boyfriend and girlfriend. We didn't even know what going out mean for real. So, well, see, yeah, that's how mine was. So I wouldn't even say that's the relationship. I can't think that far back. I just really can't. So I don't know what my shortest relationship was.
So mine, if we're not counting that far back, it would have to be, Lord bless you, with my ex-girlfriend. No names.
No face, no case.
No face, no case. But yeah, our relationship was 5 months. Like,
how are we related? Mind your business.
ooh.
I'm just playing. But we're related. I date her brother, Bizzo.
Period. She dates my brother, so this is my sister. Period.
Yeah.
Okay. Do y'all have children?
F them kids.
F them kids.
Them kids is bad. They put us through it. I'm telling you now.
I have a 2-year-old. Well,
and
we
I
both do.
have a 2-year-old. I have a son. His name is Aiden.
And I have a daughter. Her name is Naomi.
Yeah.
Brett. What do y'all like to do for fun? I'm not gonna even lie. When I have free time, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably asleep. I really don't.
Love a good nap.
Yeah, that's what I do for fun. Is sleep.
On the other hand,
And probably scroll down Facebook 10 times.
they be having some funny stuff on there though.
They
Be
do.
hooding up.
I be saving videos, going back and watching them later.
For sure. I like to be on FaceTime, and I like to go to like the movies.
Yeah, movies
I like a good
sound
movie
good.
date.
Let's just stop for a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all. Sunkissed Peach. Sunkissed Peach. Y'all see this? This is the best Sunkissed. Hands down. Girl, we can skip that.
Again.
How old
How
are
old
y'all?
are your kids?
2?
2 years old. My son is born a couple days before her daughter. My son's birthday is October the 26th. Is it good?
And Naomi's birthday is November 3rd.
Here I am. Alright, next question.
How tall are we? 5'4".
I'm the shortest of the bunch. I am 5'3".
I'm pretty average.
Period. Alright, 18. What's something you regret? I regret dating half y'all bums. And
We don't want no bum.
y'all.
Right. I regret. Y'all want to really know what I regret? I regret stepping out of character for some of these people that wasn't even worth my time, giving them a reaction. Like, I regret that. Like, other than that, that's probably the only thing I regret. Because anything I did, if I was going to regret it in the future, I probably wouldn't have did it.
I feel on that.
I done thought about doing some stuff and then been like, dang, I'm going to have to look back on it. So, yeah. If I knew out. Just dropping out my mouth. But if I knew I was going to regret something, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not going to do it. How many tattoos do we have? Let's go ahead and show them. I got this one. I don't know if y'all can see it. And then I got
Other arm. You on that?
Not on that one. I got this one. And then I got one it's on either one of these shoulders. Back shoulders. I don't know. I think it's on this one, but I got Naomi name right here. So I got 3 tattoos. I want more. But for right now, just 3.
Mine is so sad and lonely. I have 1 tattoo.
It's sad and lonely.
I have 1 tattoo. I have been wanting to get more tattoos. But every time I get the money to get it, I go blow it on something else. So that's gonna stop though, because this summer, I'm getting like 2, maybe 3 more tattoos. But I have 1 tattoo. We actually got our tattoos together.
And I was so scared. That's gonna be a story time for y'all. We ain't gonna tell y'all a lot. That's gonna be a story time for y'all.
But I have my son's name on my back. His name is Aiden.
And the last question is,
how many piercings?
Just my ears. I ain't got no earrings on. But I did have my nose pierced twice. The first time I got pregnant. You know how you get pregnant and your nose grows? So, like, I had to like, take the nose ring out because it was, like, getting stuck. I don't know if it makes sense, but, yeah. And the second time I had to take it out because I got a job and came with my nose piercing, which sucks because I had just got my nose pierced and I had to take it out.
No, hey. Me on the other hand.
She a thought. She got all of it. She got all of it. All of the things.
I am weak. Okay, I have 3 piercings. I'm really I'm not girly. I don't always have all my earrings in. I put them in every now and then when I feel like it. But I have 1, 2, 3 on each side.
Oh,
I have
had
my
that
nose
one.
pierced. Oh, you still got that one?
I had it.
It goes?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. I have my nose pierced. I have my tongue pierced. And then when I was about 16, I'm not going to stand up and show, but I did get my belly button pierced. So, that would be all the tattoos I have. Period.
I did want my,
Excuse the background, y'all. I'm telling you.
I did want my lipstick, but
I can't.
like right here, but I don't do too good with needles, so I never have to. And y'all look, my food is gone,
I'm a slow eater,
demolished.
and I'm so hungry.
I've been over here.
Period.
Taking big bites. But this concludes our video. Make sure y'all follow us on all our social medias, from Snapchat to Instagram to Twitter. I don't have a Twitter, so
I have one, but I'll put it in the description below. And also, if you guys would love to see more videos from us, you can like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to
press that bell. So you can get notified every time we go live. I say every time we go live. Every time we post a video.
Alright, period.
And we
Out.
Gun, he just pull it out in his pictures. Bitch. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah. I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want.